Welcome back to Living Large Camping. We're starting off with some bittersweet news as we finally sold our 2006 four-wheel camper. We helped load the camper on its new truck before watching our old home leave for the last time. We hope they enjoy it and love it as much as we have over the past 2 years. On another note, we replaced the camper lights with more efficient LED bulbs and head out to a gorgeous lake spot in northern Michigan. Hope you enjoy. Finished being wired in, we're going to replace all the light bulbs in here with LEDs. Right now they are just these classic old light bulbs, and when we turn this on, A, it gets super hot, and B, it draws about 20 watts of power. So let's switch that and see how much more efficient we get. Light, and now it's only using about 3 watts, so much better there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that around the entire camper. I'm sure I'll forget some because there's so many bulbs here, so we'll have extras for whenever we are camping, but I think I know where they all are, and we're gonna do the outside ones as well. All right, we have 10 light bulbs replaced. Some aren't on right now, but that takes our total power consumption from around 200 watts with all the lights on to now less than 40 watts. So very easy change for a very cheap price. And I think that's really going to help us whenever we decide to take this thing off grid, and our battery will allow us for longer camping. So we made it to camp. I just finished plugging in the shore power to our little post out there, and we have the 220 watt Goal Zero charger plugged in just to top the batteries off. We have stayed at 2 paid campgrounds right now because we are waiting on a solar panel to come in that's going to go on the roof to help with charging the Goal Zero while we drive, and then we'll be a little bit more suited for some off-grid camping. But either way, we're going to enjoy it here.
So at Burt Lake State Park, there's 309 sites, which is huge. We got site 47, which is facing the water, and let's check out the view.
Most important celebration.
Woo!
Made it to camp.
Cheers to that.
Changing fast.
Taco time! Guys, tonight we're making tacos with some ground turkey, peppers, guac salsa, which is our literal favorite sauce, shredded cheese, onion, and corn tortillas.
found these continuous sprayers at Walmart. Filled it with some biodegradable soap, and seems to be an easy way to clean the dishes without using hardly any water. So let's see how it works. Walked the campground tonight. It's a huge campground. There's like 300 sites here, but right on the water, and the sunset is pretty awesome.
Yeah, can't beat it. It's a perfect getaway, and yeah, just enjoying some peace and quiet. And yeah.
That's not the new camper.
Yeah.
One other fun day in the new camper, I think. We're just loving the setup and starting to get our list together of things that we need to change and add before we take off full time in this again. But that's gonna do it for us today. We're gonna watch a little bit of a show, and we'll see y'all in the morning.
Good night, guys. I just made the bed, and honestly this is so much easier to make than our old camper. Honestly, just pull each side and put the pillows back, and you're ready to go and make some breakfast.
So tasty.
So I figured after breakfast I'd give you guys a little bathroom review, since this campground is so huge. They're actually pretty nice. There's flushing toilets, showers, sinks with soap, which to me is a huge win whenever they have that. So I will be giving it a 9 out of 10. Thanks.
Now we're ready.
Well, that'll wrap it up for this campsite. We were at Burt State Park. We absolutely loved it. We were just there for one night, and it was everything we could ask for. Lake view, quiet, huge campground like we said, so the campground was honestly the best thing of the camping trip.
Yeah. Even though we're done camping for this video, whenever the 180 watt solar panel comes in, hopefully in like 2 days, I'm going to show you how I build a rack and get that installed on the roof, so that way we're always charging while we're driving. But yeah, if you still want to see that, stick around and I'll show you kind of my thoughts and a really simple solar rack